Namaste. Energy is not just an idea, it's a feeling. And to prove it, you can definitely dare to do certain experiments and feel its presence evidently. In this special episode today, I'm going to teach you a couple of techniques through which you can feel the existence of energy, and you can also feel the joy of sensing that subtle positive vibes around you. Well, the first and the easiest one is to just rub your palms for a few seconds and just give a little bit of gap between your palms and feel that warmth. And after a few seconds of consciously putting your attention between your palms, you will also start feeling some sort of a energy field, something like two magnets being with each other, or you'll feel a tingling sensation that will occur between your palms. You can in fact consciously pay more attention, increase the gap between your palms and make its presence being felt more deeply. Yes, this is one of the ways through which we can sense the prana that is constantly flowing through the system. Apart from this, there are a lot of other things that you can do and experiment where you can evidently feel how with conscious attention and how with conscious involvement into the subtle energy patterns that is there around us, we can see a tangible result. Another very simple experiment that you can all try is to take a glass of water and feed that with positive thoughts. You can just utter out some affirmations or just say some beautiful, good, positive words like love, peace, care, happiness, and joy. Or just keep it close to your heart and feel the gush of love being passed into the water that you're holding in the glass. Now, after a couple of minutes, if you just try to taste the water, there will definitely be a sense of sweetness in it. In fact, you can also do this experiment with somebody where before you feed in positive thoughts into the glass of water, you can just ask somebody to taste the water first and then spend about a minute or two, feed a lot of good vibes, good energy, good thoughts or good words, and then ask the same person to taste the water. There will definitely be a difference and there will be a sense of sweetness in the water which the person can sense and feel. Well, sometimes we may not be very receptive towards feeling such subtle changes, but most of the times anybody can definitely see how the shift has just happened in a span of a minute, or sometimes even just in few seconds you sense the difference. Well, we all know that when we are in a good place, let's say amidst nature or in a temple, how good we feel, how our energy field gets charged up, and how low, how depleted, how heavy we feel when we are in certain places that we don't feel comfortable, isn't it? In fact, this happens even with people around us. So if this is the situation, just by walking into a specific space, if you consciously indulge yourself in sensing the energy, what can be the impact? Definitely massive. You just have to give it a try. There's another experiment which you all can try. You can take some sort of a vegetable or a fruit, which probably if you leave it on the table or leave it in the kitchen for a few days, it will definitely deteriorate in its color or it will get rotten. Take that, take two samples. For instance, 2 tomatoes or 2 lemons or 2 apples. You will have to now have patience to walk through the experiment and give it some time. So this might take about 15 days to a month sometimes, where one of the samples, let's assume that you're choosing an apple for this experiment, will be left without paying any attention, so you're just leaving it on the slab. The other one, the second sample, you hold it every single day, give it good thoughts, give love, tell something very beautiful. For instance, tell the apple that you love it, you're beautiful, I like the color, consuming you gives us so many benefits and you always enjoy its taste, so on and so forth. But you'll have to have consistency in doing this for every day, at least for about a month, because a normal apple might take a little time to have those dark spots or get rotten, right? So, and also ensure that you're having good amount of space between these two samples, because one sample can impact the energy of the other. Yes, it sounds crazy, it sounds mystical, but there is no mystery in this. It's just the impact of the thought and the energy that will shift to the apple, and it will reflect back what wonders you can create through your presence, through your positive thoughts and your beautiful smile. After a few days, for instance, if you're choosing an apple, as I said, you will see how the first sample definitely, as per the natural thing, as you've been observing how apple if left unattended gets rotten, it gets shrunk and then there are spots and whatever. But the other one remains fresh for a very, very long time. Yes, this is something that most of us can easily try and see evident results. Now I'm going to share with you the fourth experiment, which is one of my favorites, which is taking a plant. Here also you can take 2 samples, talk to one of them and just leave the other one like that. Of course, you'll have to attend to it, give enough water, expose it to sunlight. But the one which you are connecting with needs extra care through your thoughts, through your presence. So just fill it with your love, with your light, with your appreciation. Just be around it. Pick up on a conversation with the plant. If you're sensitive, if you're a meditator, you know how to fill positivity between you and the plant, right? You introduce yourself, you talk about the beauty of the plant, the remedial things that you can do out of its leaves, or the medicine that it can give, and how important plants are for humanity, for nature, for Mother Earth, and just connect that bond between you and that plant. Just in a span of about a month, you will see how the plant with which you deeply connected starts growing more vibrantly, how evidently the shift happens, and the other plant is also alive because you've been giving its basic needs. But the one with which you connected it's come from another planet. The leaves suddenly, look broader. The flowers, if it's a flowering plant, looks more vibrant and colorful. You will see how happy this plant is compared to the other one which you had ignored. Yes, I'm sure one of these experiments will definitely help you to understand how, if we are ready, we can consciously feel the presence of energy all around us, and how eventually we can make use of this very energy for our betterment and our well-being. In the coming episodes, I'll teach you how this energy or mind programming can actually help your well-being and help you lead a better life holistically. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this information, do not forget to share this with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you again with another useful tip on drugless therapy next time. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.